Hello everyone. Today, we will learn Chapter 10 with the topic E-commerce Business and Technology. After you complete this topic, the students be able to describe the principle of e-commerce business and revenue models, and identify an e-commerce business model and the revenue model adopted. In this topic, we will cover on type of e-commerce, e-commerce business models and e-commerce revenue models. There are three types of e-commerce. First, business to consumer. Second, business to business. And lastly, consumer to consumer. In business to consumer, it involves retailing products and services to individual shoppers. Example is Amazon.com. Next category is business to business. In B2B, it involves sales of goods and services among businesses. Example is Alibaba.com. The third category is consumer to consumer. In C2C, it involves consumers selling directly to consumers. Example is eBay.com. The next subtopic is e-commerce business models. First is portal. Portal will provide the initial point of entry to the web along with specialized content and other services. Example are Google and Yahoo. Second is e-tailer. It sells physical products directly to consumers or to individual businesses. Example is Amazon and RedEnvelope.com. Next is content provider. It creates revenue by providing digital content. Customer may pay to access the content or revenue. Next is transaction broker. It saves users money and time by processing online sales transaction and generating a fee each time transaction occurs. Next is market creator. It provides digital environment where buyer and sellers can meet, search for products, display products, and establish price for the products. Then, we have community provider. In community provider, it provides an online meeting where people with similar interest can communicate and find the useful information. Example is Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and iVillage. And last business model is service provider. It provides Web 2.0 applications, such as photo sharing and video sharing. It also provides other services such as online data storage and backup. Example is Dropbox, Google Apps and Photobucket.com. E-commerce revenue model. First is advertising. It will attract the large audience of visitors by exposed to the advertisement. Second is sales. In sales, it's selling goods, information or services to the customer. Then we have subscription. The content or service charges a fee for access to some or all they offer. Next we have free or freemium. For basic service or content, there is no charges, but for advanced or any special features, charges will incurred. Next is transaction fee. In transaction fee, it will receive a fee for enable or execute a transaction. And lastly is an affiliate. It will send a visitor to other website, as in return, it is for a referral fee or percentage of the revenue from any sales. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.